Hello YouTube, I just want to make this video about my Ender 3 and its lack enclosure. Some people had questions about it, so I wanted to make a video. So let's start off with its 3 lack tables stacked on top of each other. And on the top here, to make extra room, if you didn't know already, the legs that come with it aren't tall enough to fit the table underneath, so I just used 2x3s cut down and painted black, and I think it looks nice. You can also do risers for if you want to use the stock legs, but I just decided to do this. Some other things, so I have a tub underneath here from Target, and it's somewhat airtight to keep the filament, my extra filament, dry when it's not in use. So one of the major things that's really beneficial about having the enclosure and the plexiglass is it really cuts down on noise, and you'll hear that whenever I open the front door up here. So I have 3 pieces of plexiglass, one on each side, except for the back I have just a piece of wood, and they really cut down on the noise, and we can go ahead and open it up for y'all. So I have 4 latches on the front, keeps it pretty tight. So we can open it up and you can go ahead and hear the noise difference. So just starting off here, I have the power supply moved to underneath this, just to make it look a little bit nicer on here. And then some things that I did, I had to recently replace this piece right here because it broke. The plastic cracked whenever I was printing and it wasn't feeding properly. And I also have this glass bed, and it has some sort of adhesion on it that makes it sticky whenever it's hot, and then whenever it cools down, things just pop right off of it. And I also did the PTFE Capricorn tubing whenever I updated to that metal piece in the corner for the feeder. Some other things, we'll go ahead and close this because it is loud. So as you see, I made the plexiglass overlap on each side. It's probably not the best looking solution, but it works. And so that's what I did. And as you see, I had those 4 latches on the front, and then I have these braces, 6 of them on either side, and it just holds it down because it overlaps on each corner. I thought that was the easiest solution for me. Some other things, I have a light switch on the top. I bought these lights from Ikea, and just lights everything up in there. Also, I have a filter, so I have a fan back there, and there's a filter pad in this in that container, and I have a little controller in this corner, and it makes it not smell. I mainly just print with PLA and TPU, but whenever I print with PETG, I like to have that fan on to clean any air so I'm not breathing in harmful chemicals. That's about it. So I'd really recommend doing an enclosure with the plexiglass because it really cuts down on the noise, as you can hear. So yeah, I'll link everything that is featured in this video in the description, and if you have any more questions, comment and ask. Thank you.